Hey, in this video I will show you a new way to actually change your Supercell ID email on Brawl. There's a few ways to do that. It's new, it works in 2024, so make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you are new. The first thing you want to do is click on the three dashes at the top right corner right here and click on Supercell ID. So to change your Supercell ID email, it depends on whether or not you want to change the Supercell ID for email for the current account you're logged in, or you just want to log in with another account. If you want to do any of those, in both cases you want to click on the couch icon right here. To change your email, all you have to do is click change email right here, and you'll be able to change your Supercell ID email right here. They'll send you a code. When you click yes, you send the code. That's it. If you just want to switch your Supercell ID email, you want to click on Supercell right here, click on the couch icon, go down, click on switch account, and that's it. Then you can log in with the new Supercell ID. It's very simple. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new. It really helps out the channel. And if you still have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you. See you in the next one. Bye.